This is a multiplication refresher video on multiplying integers. When we're multiplying integers, the first integer always names the groups, or the number of groups. The second integer always names the number of tiles in each group. So our first example says 4 groups of -2. So that's not hard to do. I have 4 groups of -2. Now I don't have negative groups because my first integer was positive, so I can skip step 3. I go directly to step 4. Our answer is the total number and color of tiles. We have 8 total tiles, and they're all red, so our answer is -8. But in the second problem, we start out with a -3. If our first integer is negative, we're going to have to do something special with our tiles. First, we start with 3 groups of -4. 1, 2, 3 groups of -4. Then, I will need to take the opposite color of those 3 groups of -4 because our groups are negative. There is no such thing as negative groups. So if the first integer is negative, I must take the opposite color of all the tiles. And the way we show that is by changing the color with these parentheses. We're taking the opposite color of red, which of course is yellow. The opposite of negative is positive. And we still have 12 tiles, but we're going to call them positive 12 tiles. So when you're multiplying integers, you must always pay attention to that first integer. If it's positive, you keep the same color. If it's negative, you're going to change to the opposite color.